Welcome to a new era of home comfort. Are you ready to transform your home's climate with a Smart Gold Club membership? Our Smart Gold Club isn't just about comfort. It's a game changer for homeowners seeking the ultimate climate control experience. With our easy to install device, you're not just getting a gadget, but unlocking a world of possibilities. Gain access to real-time analytics, energy saving tips, and remote troubleshooting through our user-friendly mobile app. Receive instant alerts about your AC system's performance so you can address problems before they become costly breakdowns. Imagine being alerted to potential water leaks or drain clogs before they cause serious damage. There's no need to worry about complex repairs. Our virtual technician is just a tap away. Get customized reports and recommendations tailored to your HVAC system to prevent expensive breakdowns. Even if you're not tech savvy, we've got you covered. We'll monitor your system and send you monthly health reports. Don't miss out on this peace of mind. Join our Smart Gold Club today. All of this for just $16.99 a month. Ready to take control of your home's comfort and save money? Sign up today by clicking the link below.